this is Shirley. Now I'm on our factory to show our full covered type fiber laser cutting machine to you. Okay, let's go. Here is the display screen. You can see the inside situation here. And this is the industrial computer. We use the Wechat faster card controller and the CYP card software. And this is the DSP. You can control the whole machine by it. It's very convenient. Okay, let's open the door. We install 2 cameras to monitor the inside. And this is the cutting head by Ritos, the famous brand in the whole world. We have one camera in there and one camera in here. And other configuration same as the normal model. It's also sawtooth table and inside the smoking system and heavy wheels, linear transmission. Okay, let's see the sign. We install the sliding doors to when you open the door completed, you can import the cutting mantle here.
“先推外面的。”
Now we completed open the door. You can see the inside. It also uses the super heavy strong machine frame, protect cover. And there you can see the fiber laser generator. The same parts as the normal model.
看看从后面能不能。
And this is a gas tank and a water chiller. Now we can see the control box. It has some control button and a warning light. Open it. Let's see the inside. You can see this is a BCS height adjuster and SNAD electric components and the Wechat faster card controller cardboard, the Yaskawa driver. All the main configuration we use the world famous brand so that we can guarantee the machine quality and cutting effect. Okay, this is our full covered type machine. If you have any needs, questions, requirements, welcome to contact us. Let's talk more. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.